Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will speak in English, and this is for my international audience who speaks English or who can understand English. Okay, so pardon me for my mistakes. English is not my native language and I'm not that good at English, but I will try to make this video on behalf of my sister. She requested me to promote her service. Okay, so from the description and from the thumbnail, you guys have already know that this video is gonna be some promotional video. So this video is specifically for those who have a YouTube channel and wanna get more subscribers. I'm telling you in this video, I'm offering you a special service, 300 plus subscribers at only 10 bucks. Okay, this is not a regular rate, or this is not this service regular rate. She's doing this only for her new profile, and she's doing this for grab some clients. What I'm offering you is 300 plus subscribers only at 10 bucks. Okay, I will explain how I can afford 300 plus subscribers or a 7 days promotion only at 10. I will explain it later on this video. What I am offering you is legit. It's 100% original, 100% organic, and 100% monetizable. If you are new at this business or this YouTube area, you should know that, or I'm telling you that if you wanna get monetization on your channel, you have to have 1K subscriber and 4K watch hour. Okay, so let's first thing first, let's deal with the subscriber issue. I will give you 300 plus subscribers only at 10 bucks, and you have to give me 7 days. On this video, I will tell you what will be the process. You guys have to have followed this process, and I will give you your desired service. Okay, enough of talking. Let's jump into my desktop monitor and let's start it. From my description, you will get two links. One is for a registrational purpose and another one is my Facebook profile link. First, you have to register from that first link. When you click that link, this will redirect you to a website named Fiverr.com. That website will something like that. Fiverr, I think you know this website. You people know this website. This is an freelancing website, and you can hire freelancer from this website. Okay, I'm promoting this website in my video. First of all, let's take a look from you, for you YouTuber guys, what's Fiverr offering you. If I explore this website, if I ask them for YouTube service, if I type here YouTube, you can see that there is huge services: YouTube promotion, YouTube intro, YouTube video editing, YouTube SEO, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel monetization, YouTube monetization, blah blah blah. Tons of services are there. If you need anything related YouTube, if you need any logo, if you want to build a website for you, you just go to Fiverr.com, you ask for your service, and you will get it in comparatively cheap rate. So what you have to do is, from this video's description, you will get two links. First of all, you have to register from the first link, and that will redirect you here. And after registration, you have to take a screenshot of that registration page, and when you are done with your registration, you have to click on that second link on my description. It will redirect you to my Facebook profile. When you reach there, you just send me a message with that screenshot, and I will give you the link of her profile, and then she will talk to you in Fiverr. She will send you an offer, you just accept it, and that will be for 10 bucks, 300 subscriber. Okay, so the best part is Fiverr is very reliable for your services, and they care most their customers. Okay, so if you think that you're not happy with the result, you can complain to Fiverr, and Fiverr will refund your money. So there is no risk at all. Okay, you will get 300 plus subscriber, and if you don't get that kind of subscriber, and if you're not happy with the result, you can complain, always complain. And this is so clean, so transparent. There is no scope for scams or something fraud like that. Okay, so what you have to do is follow these 2 steps and message me on my Facebook profile. I will give you the link and you will just accept the offer and you are done. That's so simple. So now you know how to order the service and how it works. I'm telling you now how I can afford 300 plus subscribers at only 10 bucks. Okay, you have just registered to an account to an website named fiverr.com, and from my description link, okay, that link was an affiliate link. Affiliate stuffs for fiverr.com, and they provide me some kind of commissions. Okay, so from your registration I will get 20 bucks, and from your order I will get 10 bucks. In total it's 30 bucks. So I am doing this not in 10 bucks actually, or I will get 30 bucks for your 300 subscriber. Okay, so 30 bucks for 300 subscriber or 30 bucks for 7 days promotion, I think it's enough. It's not that bad, so anyone can afford it. So that's the process. Okay, so I think you will be benefited from this service, and I hope you will stick with her services. So that's it. I think I'm done with this video. So stay tuned. I will come back with another offer, another video, and till then, stay safe, stay well.